All right, so now we're going to go over ngStyle. So if you go to your dog-details.component.ts, you'll see this beauty right here. And we're going to go ahead and make this a template itself. So we're going to take this out and we're going to say that the template URL is going to be dog-details.components.html, and then we're going to make that. So we'll save this dog inside of source, and then app, and dog details.html, just like that. And we save that. And we should have the same nice thing over here. Refresh. Yep, same old thing. And if I put something here like a P, just to make sure it is updating. Nope, it is not. It looks like I didn't save this. Go ahead and save this as well. There we go. All right, so now let's go back to our HTML. And now ngStyle. ngStyle is just another directive that you can use to basically dynamically make your styles. So let's say I want the color of this word right here to be the color of whatever the color is. So it's a very confusing question, but I'm questioning sentence. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to say it for you. So we're gonna put a span tag around this, and we're gonna use that directive ngStyle like this, just a nice attribute directive. We say ngStyle, and then this wants a object. So that object could be anything that has CSS styles in it. So we're going to change the color of this to be the color of the word that's in our dog details. So if we go back, you'll see that the color is now red, and I want to change it to green. I just type in green, or I want to change it to orange, type in orange, just like that. And so that's really what NG style is. But you don't have to make the object here. It could be just a variable inside your template or your class. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's take this out, and let's say it's going to be called the color styles, right? And we go back to our dog details.component.ts, and we're going to make that right here, color styles, and that's going to be equal to an object again, except now we're going to change the color to be just green. So we just say green here, and then we also say that we want the font size to be equal to, let's say 2M. So now if we go back to our thing, you'll see that it's green and it's 2M, just like that. Perfect. So there's also a few other things you could do with this. So maybe I want this style to be from a function. So I can just go ahead and say go green, right? I'll make a function called go green, and that's going to be called this dot go green, this dot go green, this dot go green. No, go green just like that, and then it's going to return green. And then you can do whatever styles or functionality you want for this, but I'm just going to do this, and let's return teal instead, even though it says go green. And there we go, we got our teal thing as well. So that just makes it opens up a lot more possibilities for you when it comes to styling your things inside your component if you need to, and styles from the template itself are not working, or your styles that you have are not working for what you want to do.